Greetings to everyone on my daily disaster news channel. The information in the video shows an incident on the 6th of February 2023 in Turkey. Turkish president has announced a 3-month state of emergency in 10 provinces worst affected by the earthquake. Rescuers in Turkey are battling heavy rain and snow at the race against the clock to find survivors of the earthquake that struck in the early hours of Monday. Adana is full of the homeless, those who lost their homes and others too fearful of aftershocks to return.
Çarşının içi. Anne görüyorum karşıda. Hayatım daha burada değil, Grand Otel'in karşısı.
Arkadaşlar ben uzun zamandır
Some left without shoes, coats and phone chargers. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to keep abreast of the most important changes on the planet.